Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Hamza Salimi and my project is about AI mental health chatbot. So this is my website. This is front-end design I have made. This is the home page and first we will sign in. This is the login page, sign in and my Figma design is. We can also go on sign up by clicking on sign up and this is my sign up page and my Figma design is. Now we will sign in. For this, we will put our email and password. After entering wrong password, we will get alert. Now we will check on putting right password. So this is main dashboard. Here you can see dashboard button, history, resources, user analytics, emergency, profile. We will click on profile and you can see that all our data is here. We can also edit our profile and can save it. First of all, we will go on dashboard. This is our chatbot. Here I can put IM. You can see chatbot is answering it. You can check our history in history menu. You can see it is working for again. We will go on dashboard. I will recommend mental health tips. You can see chatbot has provided us mental health tips. We will go on history and you can see that that's are stored in our history. In our resources, there are self-help articles, therapist listing, meditation guides, cognitive exercises, crisis hotlines, and reading materials. So this is all about my project. I have selected three major modules and one minor module. On clicking logout, we will go back on our home page. From here, I will now sign up. I can write Muhammad Ali. I will give random email. Password I will set password. I will give city. Lahore, state, Pakistan. Now I will sign up. We will also have to provide sign up details. You can see that first of all we will go on profile, dashboard, history. Still we have not performed any AI chatbot searching, so there is no history. All people will be accessible to resources and everyone can change his profile. Now we will go on Backward, we will see our code. I have done my project in React. Month, month stack means MongoDB, React, Next.js, Express.js, and CSS. Here you can see my components. I have done my routing in main.jsx. All components are here. And my backend is in express.js. Here you can see controller model routes, and I have used my database in MongoDB. This is my server. I am getting my request in user out. For chatbot, I have used API from Google. I use that API in dashboard. Here I got prompt from user and provided it to the backend. Provided prompt to my backend on chat request. Here I will go on backend. This is chat request and get from API. I have called my API in controller. This is my API. I have used Gemini 1.5 Flash and used it here. I have used OOP in model database in saving history and getting history data in user profiling, authentication and saving user data. I have used OOP, object-oriented programming, and this is my Figma design profile, which is similar to my website front end. This is my user analytics resources. This is my resources, and this is my dashboard. Now I will search hello, how are you? I have searched it here. Now I will check my history. It is taking time due to net issue. I will go on. Now you can see my designing and front end is similar. Thanks.